financial capital Mumbai. Let's see what Mumbaikars. Yes, go
We
ahead.
were listening to the entire broadcast, entire announcement, and towards the end, we started, getting that feeling, anxious feeling that are we not addressed? Is the middle income group still not getting addressed? But then comes, a banger, and then 12 lakh, the announcement and the decision of exempting people who earn up to 12 lakh, that is totally tax free. That was something we were all looking forward to, and it was better than expected. What more industry is getting and how industry is reacting? We have Rishi Kumar Bagla with us. He's the deputy chairperson of CII Western Region. Let's talk to him. Sir, your initial reaction and how would you say the budget was?
The budget was absolutely perfect for the aspirational India. I would say that because our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has given a target that India has to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And in order to become a Viksit Bharat 2047, we have to take a directional budget. And this budget has been absolutely in that direction. Because if we have to become Viksit, we need to do two things. We need to spur the domestic demand and we need to be globally competitive as far as manufacturing is concerned. And in this budget, I can see very clearly to spur the global demand, a huge impact has been given to the rural areas and the agri sector so that ours being an agrarian economy, large part of our population is still involved into agriculture. They will have more money in their hands. And so also the other part of the salaried income people, where a salaried person drawing up to 12.75 lakh rupees per annum will have to pay no tax. Now this is a absolutely fantastic move, giving a lot of money into the hands of the masses, because it is the masses that will spend. And that is how the manufacturing will grow, that is how the employment will grow, and that is how India will become competitive. Apart from this, a lot of measures have been taken by this budget to ensure that India becomes competitive by way of ease of doing business, by giving more money in the hands of the people, by innovation, and providing a lot of impetus on skilling and employment. This would make India in the right direction, going towards a Viksit Bharat. And this is what I say, a budget we want. India, we want budget.
All right. So Sakal, yes, industry has approved, and the markets also. If you're talking about markets, the markets are actually flat right now. Somewhere around 0.40%, 0.44% around both BSE and NSE. They are trading at that. So the market has not, either it's not disapproved nor approved, but it's a flat position. So overall, we could say Mumbai
I like
has
the way you're
approved of
putting
it.
it up.
Common person,
Yes,
common man has
Shama.
approved of it.